Number 1. 1989 Cadillac Elderado, $4,900, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1989 Cadillac Elderado is a well-preserved, one-owner luxury coupe showing 90,000 original miles and retaining an all-original appearance. It is powered by the dependable 4.5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Equipment includes leather seating, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control, air conditioning, and heat. Known for smooth operation and long-term durability, this Eldorado runs and drives nearly flawlessly and delivers classic Cadillac comfort at a very approachable price. Number 2. 1974 MG BGT, $2,000, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1974 MG BGT is a classic British sports coupe offered as a straightforward restoration project. It shows approximately 85,000 miles, though the odometer is broken and has rolled over. The car is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and retains most of its original components. The engine turns over but does not currently run due to a needed fuel line, and the ignition switch does not crank. The brakes and clutch function, making this a realistic and complete project for an enthusiast. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet CORVAIR MONZA Coupe, $4,600, Vancouver, British Columbia. This 1965 Chevrolet CORVAIR MONZA Coupe is finished in the rare Tahitian turquoise exterior with a white interior, a highly desirable factory color combination. It is powered by a 110 horsepower 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Largely original and originally from Southern California, it benefits from a favorable climate history. The 1965 model year is especially sought after due to improved suspension and handling, making this Monza both collectible and enjoyable to drive. Number 4. 1966 Pontiac Lemans, $3,500, Ralston, Montana. This 1966 Pontiac Lemans is a solid driver powered by a V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission with column shift. It runs and drives well and comes with a clean title. The odometer is not functioning, but all dashboard components are included and stored inside the car. Offering classic Pontiac styling, this Le Mans serves as a good foundation for regular driving or future restoration. Number 5. 1959 Studebaker Scotsman half-ton short bed, 7200 Mesa, Arizona. This 1959 Studebaker Scotsman half-ton short bed pickup is a rare and very original example of Studebaker's utilitarian work trucks. It is powered by a flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission and overdrive. Recent mechanical service includes brakes, shocks, water pump, rebuilt carburetor, and fuel system work. The truck starts, runs, drives, and stops well, making it a unique and usable piece of American truck history. Number 6. 1962 Pontiac Tempest Convertible, $7,300, San Francisco, California. This 1962 Pontiac Tempest Convertible features the unique 4-cylinder engine derived from Pontiac's V8 design. The matching numbers engine has been rebuilt and has approximately 15,000 miles since completion. Paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, it cruises comfortably at highway speeds while maintaining good fuel efficiency. Finished in white with a clean interior and original black license plates, this Tempest offers rare engineering and classic convertible appeal. Number 7. 1965 Cadillac Sedan Deville, $7,000, Granbury, Texas. This 1965 Cadillac Sedan Deville represents traditional full-size American luxury. The car was fully restored in the 1980s and is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. While in storage, it experienced interior water damage, though it did run when parked. With a clean title and a strong restoration base, this Deville presents a solid opportunity to revive a true Cadillac luxury icon. Number 8. 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28, $12,500, North Phoenix, Arizona. This 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28 is a desirable performance coupe equipped with the rare 5-speed manual transmission and fuel-injected 5.0-liter V8 engine. It shows 72,000 original miles and carries a clean title. The car remains largely original and is not equipped with removable roof panels. Recent updates include suspension components, battery, alternator, and shock absorbers. While cosmetic work is needed, it remains a strong and authentic example of late 1980s American performance. Number 9. 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham, $12,800, Arlington, Texas. This 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham shows fewer than 30,000 original miles and retains a largely original presentation. It is powered by a 307 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs and drives well. Minor sun fading is present, but the body remains straight and clean. Recent service includes steering, cooling, fuel, and ignition system work, making this a comfortable and increasingly collectible classic. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10, $14,000, Alvord, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10 pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include an RV-style camshaft and a new Edelbrock carburetor. Factory air conditioning has been updated to modern refrigerant, and additional features include auxiliary cooling fans and a new interior. Finished in yellow, this C10 blends classic styling with dependable performance and everyday comfort. Number 11. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere II, $13,000, Billings, Montana. This 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2 is a solid running classic, equipped with an automatic transmission and a clean title. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including work to the braking system, fuel system, ignition components, gaskets, and fresh fluids throughout. Listed in fair condition, it runs and drives well and provides a dependable muscle-era platform for continued enjoyment or gradual improvement. Number 12, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, $15,000, Sacramento, California. This 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air is a well-maintained classic finished in baby blue and powered by a crate 350 cubic inch V8 engine with fewer than 4,000 miles. It is paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with power steering and power brakes for improved drivability. The car runs and drives excellent and is fully turnkey, offering iconic 1950s styling with modern reliability.